You pull up to a gas station, fill your tank to the very top, twist your fuel cap shut, and the second you start your car, the check engine light pops onto your dashboard for absolutely no apparent reason. If your scan tool reads a P0498 code, your evaporative emission system vent valve control circuit has dropped to a low voltage state, meaning the computer can no longer operate the vent solenoid that seals your fuel vapor loop. This generic powertrain fault is an absolute staple on Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and GM pickup trucks, pointing directly to an electrical breakdown in your vehicle emissions plumbing. As raw fuel sloshes around inside your gas tank, it naturally gives off highly volatile fuel vapors that cannot be allowed to escape into the open air. To keep things clean, the EVAP system traps these vapors inside a charcoal canister, using a small electronic vent valve to pull fresh air into the system so the vapors can be safely routed back into the intake manifold to be burned off during normal driving. When the computer detects a short to ground, a broken wire, or an incredibly low internal resistance value inside the vent valve solenoid coil, it immediately triggers the warning lamp. The beauty of this specific code is that it will not affect your engine performance, your gas mileage, or your daily drivability, but it will cause you to fail an emissions inspection instantly. To fix this common headache yourself, slide under the rear of the vehicle near the fuel tank, locate the plastic charcoal canister, and do a close visual inspection of the wiring harness for any spots where the insulation has rubbed through against the metal chassis. Unplug the electrical connector, check the main circuit fuses to ensure the vent solenoid is actually getting power, and use a digital multimeter to measure the internal resistance of the valve pins. If your meter reads 0 ohms or shows an incredibly low value compared to the factory specs, the internal copper coil has shorted out, meaning you just need to swap out the old vent valve assembly for a fresh, updated unit to extinguish that annoying dashboard light.